Spell is the local badge of Abracadabra Money, a decentralized money DeFi stage that permits clients to stake Gibber in ranch yields, with Spell filling in as the administration and utility token to open different highlights and advantages inside the biological system. On the off chance that you're searching for Spell Gibber cost expectation scores for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Spell token Spell will go from now on, we will examine the Gibber costs of Spell token Spell and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this jabber and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also anticipating something so wonderful is Gibber incomprehensible. In any case, we will make an jabber effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Spell token is $0.0789 and Spell is presently positioned #452 in the whole jabber environment. The flow supply of Spell token is 107,405,628,969 with a market cap of 84,795,500 Gibber $3. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1% in its jabber worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Spell with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is jabber down. Spell token is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other Gibber coins. The Spell is down to Gibber 14.5% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could major areas of strength for have in any case. We don't feel that it would a Gibber resource in present moment. Look at the market capitalization of Spell token and other top digital Gibber of money with our instinctive instrument. Perceive how the all-out worth of every freedom Gibber flowing stock stacks facing others and gain bits of knowledge into the market elements. Select 2 digital Gibber to look at their market cap and imagine the outcomes. We foresee future Spell token cost expectation Spell figure by applying Gibber computerized reasoning helps specialized examination on the past value information of Spell token. We give our all to gather greatest verifiable information for the Spell Gibber, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Spell token market cap, Spell token volume, and not many more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital Gibber and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Spell Gibber value forecast outline. There is potential for Spell freedom cost a Gibber a critical flood, coming to as high as $0.016 toward the finish of 2025. With the ongoing cost of Gibber $0.0789, Spell token holds its ground on the lookout. The negative cost expectation for Spell token Spell in 2030 is $0.086 Gibber, with a possible high of $0.097. Our Spell token long-haul figure for 2050 proposes Spell possibly running somewhere in the range of $0.8114 and $0.93 Gibber $1. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Spell Gibber in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $0.6696 mark. Spell token value Gibber 2024. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.009 Gibber $1 in 2024. The Spell token cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.01 with the Gibber cost of $0.0933 all through 2024. Spell token value Gibber 2025. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Spell token is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $0.013 Jabber. The Spell cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.016 with the Gibber worth of $0.013. Spell value Gibber for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Spell, in 2026 the cost of Spell token is estimated to be at around a base worth of $0.018. The Spell token value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.022 Gibber with the typical exchanging worth of $0.019 in USD. Spell token Spell value Gibber 2027. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least Gibber of $0.027 in 2027. The Spell token cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.032 with the typical exchanging cost of Gibber $0.028 all through 2027. Spell Gibber value Papaya 2028. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.039 in 2028. The spell token cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.047, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.004 Jibber all through 2028. Spell Jibber Value Forecast 2029. According to the Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2029 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.056 Jabber. The spell cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.069, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.058. Spell token spell value expectation 20 Jibber. The cost of one spell Jibber is supposed to reach at any rate level of $0.086 in 2030. The spell cost can arrive at a most Jibber degree of $0.097, with the typical cost of $0.089 all through 2030. Spell Jibber Value Figure 20 Disappointment 1. Spell token cost is estimate to arrive at a least conceivable degree of Jibber $0.0125 in 2031. Jibber to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.0147, with the typical conjecture cost of $0.0129. Spell token spell value Jibber 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of spell, in 2032 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.186. The spell cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.0216, with the typical exchanging cost of applesauce $0.191. Spell Jibber Value Expectation 2033. Spell token cost is conjectured to arrive at a least Jibber degree of $0.0287 in 2033. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.331, with the typical gauge cost of Jabber $0.0297. Spell token value Jibber 2040. Understanding business Jibber patterns and feelings is significant, however opinion can be whimsical. Analyzing current market elements can offer experiences into potential cost developments, however taking into account the more Jabber ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the most extreme cost of spell token is supposed to reach $0.6696, with a typical Jibber worth of $0.5815. The base cost is Jibber to be around $0.5477. Spell value estimate for 20 Jibber. The reception and certifiable use instances of a cryptographic money are similarly Jibber contemplations. Projects with viable applications and Jibber reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the spell token cost figure for 20 Jibber, spell is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.9301 in 2050. The base anticipated cost of spell coin in 2050 is Jibber to be around $0.8114, while the typical cost of the spell token for 20